name is Vishwa and this is my channel Remedy. Before you watch the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And today's video is going to be about coconut oil and turmeric body scrub. So, as you all know, turmeric is great for skin. It's a great skin refresher and it also helps in removing dead skin cells. And coconut oil, as you all saw in my last video, it was on beauty hacks for coconut oil. So coconut oil is a great moisturizer, great remedy for cleansing your skin. And don't forget to press the subscribe button down below. So let's get started with the video.
Take 2 tablespoons of sugar, add in 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now mix those ingredients up to make the scrub. Pour it in a jar and there you have your coconut and turmeric body scrub.
If you guys like the video of coconut and turmeric body scrub, and if you guys like more videos like this, then please comment down below on any other DIYs or skin secrets I can show you. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!